Okay, hello everyone. Yeah, this is group 4, and with my members, as you can see. So today we are tackling the phase 1, which is involved in the systems development, the life cycle, and this is the requirements engineering and project proposal. So the proposal is the proposed system is the case study, the design and the development of an internship payment system, the case study of Lux Technologies in Arua district. So, so this is the first phase. This phase is first of all very crucial for because it lays the foundation of the project, whereby it involves defining the problem, gathering requirements, and validating them to ensure that they meet the user needs. So the proposed system, which is the internal payment system, is an online customized environment by which Lux Technologies can automate its processes for interns to make payments. So this will solve a range of administrative issues at Lux Technologies. In terms of late payments, which were in students they have balances and also issuing what are receipts. So, so the problem definition. The problem is first of all, Lux Technologies faces many challenges as we have seen here. Late payments and unaccountable balances, which create inefficiency. There is an absence of a system to generate receipts because what is in existence now is something which is manual, whereby they just have to write in the books, but these receipts sometimes get lost, so they need something to accounting. Then also, those manual processes also bring a dissatisfaction among the times whereby some things can be lost, people lose money when they are coming. So this system we are going to develop will help to automate such processes, meaning that the payments will be made in time, in time. Then the notifications can also be issued to students in case they have forgotten about their payments. Then also to reduce this will reduce the administrative burden. So what will be the solution? The solution is to automate the payment process for timely and efficient handling. Then real-time notifications for payment status. In case someone pays, they receive the notification. Then also generation of electronic receipts for follow-up. Then reducing the administrative workload, whereby the cashier had to do many things, but he now focuses on just handling some few issues, and that he leaves these issues of money because they are not easy to deal with. So the goal is to introduce a the goal is to introduce a proposed solution focusing on these benefits in terms of automation, real-time updates, and administrative efficiency.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Wamanya Moses, and I'm the second group member presenting. So I'm going to take you through the requirements document. And in this document, we are going to look at the functional requirements of our project and what our system intends to do. So the system should allow Lux Technologies to register interns and store payment details. So we shall be having the details of the interns and their payment details for follow-up in case someone pays. And the system shall automatically provide payment schedules for each intern. Yeah, it will be showing maybe the date of when the intern is supposed to clear the balances which are due, and also the period that intern has to pay the money. The system shall process payments and generate electronic receipts. Therefore, in terms of after payment, it shall be generating the electronic receipts and to remove the other burden of maybe keeping the money or the receipts which are just manual and they can easily get lost or to be spoiled. Another one, interns will be informed in real time about the status of their payments and due balances. Therefore, this system will be providing real-time updates and notifications to the interns about those maybe whom have not been cleared their whatever their balances. Therefore, the employers can access the history of payments and generate reports. Therefore, this system will be following up the history of the people who have paid and also generating reports. So those are the functional requirements. Another one is the non-functional requirements. What are some of the non-functional requirements our system is expected to have? Shall be having the aspect of security, and the system will have to ensure encryption of sensitive data that is financial and personal. Yes. Another one is reliability. The system should be up and operational for 99.9% of the time for the consistent service. So this system will be up uh, and running 24/7. There will be an aspect of usability. The interface is very user friendly and easy to handle by both the intern and the employer. So those are some of the non-functional requirements our system is expected to have. What are some of the user stories? My colleague will take you through the user stories. Our system.
Hello everyone, this is Natamba Moses, the third presenter. I'm going to take you through the user stories. Number one, as an intern, I want to be reminded about the due date of payment so that I can settle on time to avoid penalties. As we have seen above, that this system is mainly to ensure real-time payment and notifications to the users. This system will enable the students to pay their balance dues in time to avoid the penalties. Then the second, as an employer, I want to generate a report of all internship payments to enable controlling and managing of the company's finances. Then another one, the third one is, as an intern, I need to be able to view my payment history to ensure all of my transactions are correct. As my colleagues have discussed in the slides above, that this system mainly is to ensure that there is transparency in payment. So as an intern, uh, I need to be able to view my payment history to ensure that all of my transactions are correct. This will ensure the transparency in the system and management. Then number four, being the manager in the human resource, I would like to monitor all the amounts paid to the interns with the view of ensuring that this this disbursement happens at the right time. Then the fifth one, being an intern, I would appreciate it if I got a receipt for every payment just for evidence of my transaction. As you have heard from my colleagues in the slides above, that this system will have the functionality of being able to generate a receipt after a student has cleared the money or has paid half of the money. Then let's go to the requirement validation. Uh, Key stakeholders to be engaged in the validation of requirements include human resource managers, finance personnel, and current interns at Lux Technologies. The feedback shall be collected on a regular basis through interviews, surveys, and reviews meetings that meeting and review meetings that ensure that the requirements meet user needs and system expectations. So, as you are all aware that requirement validation, this process is to ensure that the proposed requirements, both user and the functional requirements or system requirements, meet the intended functions for the users or the needs for the users. So here we have discussed that the key stakeholders to be engaged in the validation of the requirements for our system will include the human resource managers, the finance personnel, and the current interns at the Lux Technologies. And the feedback shall be collected on a regular basis. This means that it will be daily, to be every for every time through the interviews surveys, and review meetings that ensure that the requirements meet user needs and the system. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for listening, and that's the end of our video. Yeah.